students, welcome back our mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 triangles part 3, that is exercise 6.3, questions from 8 to 16. Okay, the previous parts we discussed triangles, exercise 6.1, 6.2 in part 1 and exercise 6.3, questions from 1 to 7, part 2. Okay, then in the previous parts we discussed basic proportionality theorem and converse of basic proportionality theorem, then AA similarity theorem, SSS similarity theorem and SAS similarity theorem or similarity criterions. Okay. What about AA similarity theorem? The AA similarity theorem says if in a triangle any two of the angles are equal to the corresponding triangle, their corresponding sides are proportional and that triangles are similar. That is by AA similarity criterion. Okay. The next one is side similarity criterion. That criterion says if in two triangles the sides of one of the triangles are proportional to the sides of another triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal. Hence the two triangles are similar. That means if in two triangles the sides are proportional, the corresponding angles are equal. The two triangles are similar. Okay. Then third one, SAS similarity criterion. That means if in two triangles one of the angle is equal and the sides is also proportional. The corresponding sides and included angles are the corresponding sides are proportional and the included angle is equal. That two triangles are similar. That is side, angle, side. SAS similarity criterion. Based on these three similarity criterions, we proved exercise 6.3 questions 1 to 7. Okay. Then now we are going to discuss the remaining questions. Question 8 onwards. Okay. Here the question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE similar triangle CFB. Here E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. Here a parallelogram A, B, C, D and E is a point on the side AD. E is a point on the side AD produced, then that A, this is the point E. Okay, E is the point AD produced E and BE intersect CD at F. This is B, B to E. Join B. This is line, straight line. BE, BE intersect. The meeting point is F. CD at F. This is F. Yes. Our question is triangle ABE similar. We want to prove triangle ABE similar triangle CFB. Where is ABE? ABE. This is ABE. ABE. We want to prove ABE similar CFB. CFB. This is CFB. This triangle represents CFB. Our aim is to prove these two triangles are similar. Okay. So let us take the triangles. Triangle ABE and triangle CFB. What is the condition? ABCD is parallelogram. So, angle A and angle C is equal, isn't it? Yes. So, we can write angle BAE equal angle FCB. BAE, that is A, is equal to FCB, that is opposite angles of parallelogram. Okay. Then the larger triangle and the smaller triangle. Consider AD. Here the parallelogram opposite sides are parallel. Then E is the same line segment represent. This AE, the same line. So we can take AD and BC as parallel. The same way AE and BC as parallel. AE parallel, BC opposite sides of parallelogram, and BE as a transversal or BE as a line intersecting these parallel lines. Yes, alternate interior angles are, this is alternate interior angles, isn't it? These two parallel lines cut a transversal, alternate interior angles are equal. AE and BC as parallel, BE as a line intersect AE and BC. AE and BC. So we can write angle AEB. AEB equal to angle FBC. Angle FBC. In a triangle, any two sides are in a triangle. Any two of the angles are equal, the third angle is also equal by angle sum property. You can say by AA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. So we can write by AA similarity criterion, we can conclude triangle ABE similar triangle CFB. Here A and C are equal and this E and B are equal. Then we can say that the remaining, the next angle B and F is also equal. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. In figure, ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC similar triangle AMP and CA by PA equal BC by MP. Okay. Here the triangles ABC and AMP are given. ABC, where is ABC? ABC, this triangle ABC and the next one AMP. This is AMP. Consider these two triangles. What is given? Triangle ABC and triangle AMP. Both the triangle A is common, isn't it? This A portion, A, the angle A is common to both the triangles. So we can write angle CA, this triangle CAB, angle CAB equal to, in this triangle, angle MAP, angle MAP, A is common. Okay, then what about angle M and B? Yes, angle B equal to angle M, that is 90 degree given by AA similarity criterion. We can say that these two triangles are similar. Okay, here the two angles A common and angle B and angle M are equal, that is 90 degree given by AA similarity criterion. We can write triangle ABC similar triangle AMP. ABC triangle AMP proved first term. Then second part, the two triangles are similar, their corresponding parts are proportional or same ratio. So we can write the corresponding parts. Here CA, that is CA. Here PA. So we can write CA by PA equal, the next one BC. This is BC. MP. BC by MP. Proved second. Okay. CA by the same way. PA equal BC by MP. Okay. That is the corresponding sides. The corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. Clear? The next question. Question number 10. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and EGF such that D and H lie on side AB and EF of ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar triangle FEG, show that the first one CD by GH equal AC by EG. Second one triangle ACB similar triangle HGE, and third one triangle DCA similar triangle HGF. Here what is given? Two triangles ABC and EFG. This triangle ABC and the next one EFG. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB. ACB, this is C, the bisector, and EGF, the bisectors, such that D and H, this is lie on AB, D lie on AB, and H lie in EF or FH. Okay. Here, triangle ABC and DF respectively. And what is given? ABC is similar. ABC. Triangle ABC is similar. Triangle EFG. If it is similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay. Then that means angle A and angle E equal, B and F are equal, C and G is equal, and AB by EF equal, BC by FG equal, AC by EG. That is the corresponding sides. Okay. Then here the bisector, these two angles are bisectors, so equal, and this are equal. When we draw, this is bisector, this is equal. Okay. That means angle ACD is equal to DCB and EGH equal HGF. Okay. Then the first one, we want to prove CD by GH. We have CD by GH, AC by EG, AC by EG. So, including these sides as the triangle. Okay. Here, because when we take this CD and CD by GH, this CD and GH, then we need the side CD and GH and AC and EG, this AC and EG. So take that triangle ACD and triangle EGH. We know that A and E are equal, that is given similar. So we can write angle A equal angle E. Triangle ABC similar triangle EFG given. That is given. Then angle C and angle GS equal. Then their bisectors is also equal. So angle ACD equal angle EGH, because bisectors of angle C and angle G, their bisectors is also equal. By AA similarity criterion, we can say that triangle ACD similar triangle EGH. If it is similar, the corresponding parts are proportional. So we can write this as CD by GH. CD by GH equal AC. AC by EG. AC by EG. Proved 1. Okay. Then we want to prove these two triangles are similar. The second one, in triangle DCB and triangle HGE. Here B and E is equal. Angle B equal angle E given. This triangle, the triangle representing the triangle DCB, this one, DCB and HGE. HGE. Here B and that is given. B and E. B and E is equal. Then the bisectors is also equal. C and G. C and G. Angle C and the C. This part is ACB. Angle ACB equal. The bisector of GS, EGH, angle EGH. Bisectors of angle C and here C and GS equal. Their bisector is also equal. Bisectors of C and G, that is also equal. So we can write by AA similarity criterion. Triangle DCB similar triangle HGE. That is proved second. Okay. Here I repeat DCB and HGE. DCB and HGE. These two parts. Here B and E. ABC and FEC. B and that is given ABC and FEC. B and E. B and E is equal. So angle B and D are given. Then the bisectors, these are the bisectors. So the bisector of C and the bisector of E, C and G are equal. Therefore its bisectors is also equal. The same way we can write by AA similarity criterion. These two triangles are similar. Okay, then last one. What's the last one? DCA and HGF. DCA, this part, upper part. DCA and HGF, this lower part. Yes, that is the same step. Here, F and A and F is equal. Angle A equal, angle F given. Angle F and angle A equal, and G and C are the bisectors. Taking angle ACD equal angle HGF. By AA similarity criterion, you can say these two triangles are DCA and HGF are similar. Okay, clear? So first of all, observe the figure carefully, then connect with which angles are equal. The bisectors is also equal. Then here the given two triangles are similar, so their corresponding angles are equal. By equating the corresponding angle, you can find the equal angles. Okay, so their bisectors is also equal. So we can take here all the questions as by AA similarity criterion. Okay. The next question. Question number 11. In figure, E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal AC if AD perpendicular BC and EF perpendicular AC. Prove that ABD similar ECF. I repeat the question. In figure, E is a point on the side CP produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal AC. If AD perpendicular BC and EF perpendicular AC, we want to prove ABD and CEF are similar. ABD. This is ABD and CEF. Okay, this is CEF. Then what is given? ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal AC. If the side opposite to angles, the equal side opposite to angles are equal. AC and AB are equal. So the angle B and C is also equal. Angle B equal angle C. Isosceles triangle. Okay, base angles of an isosceles triangle. Then in triangle, we want to prove in triangle ABD and triangle ECF. ABD and FCD equal angle ABD. This one ABD equal FCE. Angle FCE. That means B and C are the base angles of an isosceles triangle. That is given. Then, in triangle ABD DS 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. And what about F? F is also 90 degree. That is also given. Because EF perpendicular AC and AD perpendicular BC. So we can write angle D equal angle F equal 90 degree. That is given by AA similarity criterion. These two triangles are similar. So we can write triangle ABD similar triangle ECF. Okay. In these two triangles, the base angles of an isosceles triangles are equal. So in the first triangle B and in the second triangle CS equal and D and F are 90 degree. By AA similarity criterion, you can say that triangle ABD is similar triangle CEF. Okay, clear? The next question. Question number 12. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, QR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that ABC is similar PQR. Here two triangles A, B, C and PQR. AB and BC and median AD. This is median. Median divides two equal parts. These two equal parts. Okay. And the next triangle, the sides PQ, QR and median PM. PM median are proportional. The sides are proportional. The sides are AB, BC and AD. AB proportional to PQ equal BC by QR equal AD by PM. That is given. The sides are proportional. We want to prove triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Okay. Here the instead of BC, BCD is the midpoint. BC equal to BD. Okay. D is the midpoint. half of BC equal BD, that is BC equal to BD. Then what about here? QR equal to QM. M is the midpoint of QR. So QM and MR are equal. So QR equal to QM. So we can write here AB by PQ equal, instead of BC, 2BD. 2BD by QR 2QM equal AD by PM. Okay. Here 2 cancel. These three sides are proportional. AB by PQ equal BD by QM equal AD by PM. So here we can conclude AB PQ BD QM AD PM. Okay. Therefore we can write triangle ABD similar PQM. Triangle PQM. Yes, SS similarity criteria. SSS similarity criteria. Consider triangle ABD and ABC. Angle B represent the same angle. And PQM and PQR. PQM and PQR represent the same angle. So we can write angle ABC equal angle PQR. Angle ABC. A here, A, and in this triangle ABD equal, because this is A by A similarity triangle, these two triangles are similar. So we can write ABD equal PQM, and BC, BD represent the same line segment. QM and QR represent the same line segment. So we can write ABC equal PQR. ABC equal PQR. Then what is given? AB by PQ equal BC by QR given. Okay. By using this AB by PQ and BC by QR and including angle B and angle Q as equal. So we can write by SAS similarity criterion. Triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. Okay, that is our ABC similar PQR. Here I repeat. First of all, what is given? These two triangles, the corresponding sides are proportional. These two sides and the median. AB by PQ, BC by QR and median AD by PM are proportional. That is given. Based on this, and also given D is the midpoint, the median. So also given BC equal to BD and QR equal to QM. Okay. So substitute instead of BC 2BD, instead of QR 2QM, 2 cancel. Here AB by PQ, BD by QM and AD by PM. Based on these sides, the triangle ABD and PQM are similar by SS similarity criteria. Side. If two triangles, the three sides of a triangle are proportional to another triangle and the corresponding angles are equal, that says SSS similarity criteria. Okay. The same way, by using SSS similarity criteria, these three sides are proportional. We can say ABD similar, PQM, this part. We want to prove the all triangle. This B and Q is part of the all triangle and the part of the left side triangle, the shaded region. Okay. So angle ABC equal angle PQR And what is given? AB by PQ. The included side. The sides and included angle. The sides and included angles are, the sides are proportional, included angles are equal. So we can conclude by yes, AS similarity criterion, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Okay. The next question, question number 13. Here the question, D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal angle BAC. Show that CA square equals CB into CD. Here the triangle ABC, triangle ABC such that D is a point on the side BC. D is the point on the side BC such that angle ADC, so join AD, angle ADC is equal to angle BAC, that is given. Angle D is equal to ADC, that means angle D equal BAC, that means this angle A. Show that CA square equals CB into CD. Okay. Here, let us take triangle ABC and ADC. Triangle ABC and DAC. What is given? In triangle ABC, BAC, angle BAC equal angle ADC. Given. Okay. Then look at the triangle, the larger triangle, and ABC as the larger triangle and ADC as the right side triangle. This triangle which is common? Yes, angle C is common, isn't it? Yes, angle ACB equal angle ACD. Angle DCS common. This angle is common to both the triangle. So we can conclude by AA similarity criterion. Here triangle ABC similar, angle A is similar equal to D. So D, then here C is equal to C, common. D, A, C. The order is D, A, C. That means the corresponding angles are equal. Here A and D is equal. Then C and C is common. So we can conclude B and A are this B and this part. This 1, 2. This 1 and 2 are equal. Okay. Our aim is to prove CA square equals CB into CD. Here ABC similar, DAC. We want CA. Where is CA? CA. This is CA. The same way CD. Same line segment. The proportional, the same sides are, the corresponding sides are proportional. So CA by CD equal. Again we want one more CA square. Here CA, this is CA. So same way here BC. So BC by CA. The direction is, this is CA. So same way CB. So CB by CA. Then this is CA by CD. Then when we transposing this one, CA into CA square equal CD into CB into CD, hence proved. Okay. Here, first of all, we want to prove triangle ABC and DAC are similar. If the two triangles are similar, their corresponding parts are proportional or same ratio, that is proportional. Okay. So, we already proved triangle ABC and triangle DACS similar. Then we want to prove CA square equals CB into CB. So CA, here CA by CD. Then again we want one more CA, that is here the CA. Here CB by CA. By transposing you get the answer. Okay. The next question number 14. Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. This is an important question. Question number 14. Question number 14 and question number 12. Both the questions have a slight variation. So, you should study separately question number 12 and question number 14. Both questions are very important. Okay. Here I repeat. Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that ABC is similar triangle PQR. Okay. So first of all draw two triangles. Triangle ABC and another triangle. This is PQR and median AD. This is D. Here the median PM. This is M. Median PM. That is given. Here AB, AC, AD of a triangle ABC are proportional to the sides PQ, PR and median PM. That is given. Okay, then here we want to construct. This is AD and extend this D, that is E. Here AD and DS equal in length and join EC. Okay. The next construction PM extend MN. Then PM and MN are equal in length and join RN. Here extend DE. Here the AD and DS equal in length. That means D is the midpoint of AD and D and D is also the median. That is also the midpoint of BC. The same way PM and MN are equal in length. M is the midpoint of QR. Okay. Then take the triangle ABD and DCE. Triangle ABD and triangle CED. Triangle CED. Angle D common, that means angle ADB equal angle CDE. Not common, vertically opposite. Vertically opposite. Angle ADB and CDE equal, that means vertically opposite angles are equal. Then BD and DCS equal. BD DC, because D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. Then AD equal DE by construction or construction. AD equal D. Okay. Here one angle is equal. Then the sides are equal. That means by SAS side. This side including angle and this side. Here this side including angle and this side. By SAS congruency, triangle ADB congruent, triangle CDE. Okay, by CPCT we can write this as AB equal CE, AB equal C, CPCT corresponding parts of similar triangle we can write AB equal C. Then same way in this figure, similarly we can prove PQ equal RN. Similarly we can prove this PQ and RN are equal. The same way equal QM equal QR and vertically opposite angle, same congruency, we can prove PQ equal RN. So write the similarly we can write PQ equal RN. Then what is given? AB by PQ equal AC by PR equal AD by PR. Then instead of AB, write C and PQ, write RN. Here AB, C, PQ, RN equal AC by PR equal AD by PM. Instead of AD by PM, listen, instead of AD by PM, I write 2AD by 2PM. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. 2AD by 2PM. What do you mean 2AD? This is the midpoint. So these are equal. So instead of 2AD, you can write AE. AE. Same way, instead of 2PM, PM. So the next step is CE by RN equal to AC by PR equal to AE by PN. AE by PN. Here the changes 2ADS AE, 2ADS AE, 2PMS PN. Okay, here listen, CE by RN equal AC by PR equal AE by PN. The triangle, this triangle and this triangle. So we can write triangle ACE similar triangle PRN by SSS similarity criterion. The three sides of a triangle is proportional to three sides of another triangle. The corresponding angles are equal. They are similar. So we can write ACE similar PRN. Then if it is similar, the corresponding angles are equal. Here angle 1, this is angle 2. So we can write angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay, this is angle 1 equal angle 2. Then what about this one? These two angles is also equal because angle A equal angle P, that is given. The two triangles are similar. So these two angles are equal, this is equal. So the remaining part is this is 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Angle 3 equal angle 4. Then adding 1 and 2 implies angle 1 plus 2, that is angle A. Here angle 1 plus angle 3 equal angle 2 plus angle 4. Angle 1 plus angle 3 is angle A equal to angle P. Angle A and angle P are equal, and in triangle ABC and PQ are what is given? AB by PQ, AC by PR, and median AD by PM are same ratio proportion that is given in the question. So in the from the question, AB by PQ equal AC by PR. Here AB by PQ equal AC by, this is C, AC by PR, and the including angles are equal by SAS similarity criterion. Triangle ABC is triangle PQR. Okay, I repeat. First of all, this is an important question. First of all, extend DE, condition AD and DE are equal, and extend MN, that is also the same condition, PM and MN are equal. Then join CE and RN. Okay, the next aim is these two triangles are congruent, not similar, congruent. That means how to explain that is congruent? Opposite equal and BD and CD is equal and AD and D is equal. The same way, these two triangles are congruent. So we can write AB equal CD. This AB and C are equal. The same way we can write PQ equal RN. Then the given, what is given? AB by PQ, AC by PR, AD by PL. Write one more, the given condition. Then instead of AB and EC are equal. Instead of AB, EC by or CE by RN. Here PQ and RN are equal, CE by RN. Then copy this AC by PR. Then substitute or multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. 2AD by 2PM. Study this carefully. 2AD by 2PM. Then 2AD is AE. Then 2PM is PN. So instead of 2AD, AE, PN. By SSS similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. If it is similar, the corresponding angles are equal. So you can say 1 and 2 is equal and 3 and 4 is equal. This is common. This is equal. The remaining part is equal. So angle 1 and angle 2 equal. Angle 2 and angle 4 is equal. So they are adding angle A and angle P is equal. 1 plus 3 equal 2 plus 4. 1 plus 3 is angle A. 2 plus 4 is angle P. These two angles are equal. Okay. If the angles are equal and the corresponding sides are proportional, by SAS side, angle side, by SAS we can say triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. Okay, triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. Okay, clear? The next question, question number 15. A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. A vertical pole, this is pole of length 6 meter, cast a shadow 4 meter long. This is 90 degree. This is theta. At the same time, a tower, this is tower, shadow 28 meter. Our aim is, our question is find the height of the tower. At a particular time or the same time, make the angle, acute angle as theta. The angle of elevation is equal. Okay, so 90 degree, theta same angle. By AA similarity criterion, this is ABC and PQR. By AA similarity criterion triangle, ABC similar triangle PQR. So we can say the corresponding sides are proportional. So AB by PQ equal BC by QR. What is AB? 6 by PQ. BC is 4 by 28. By transposing, this is 6 into 28 by 4. That is PQ. PQ is 6 into 28 by 4. Okay. What's the answer? 42 meter. Okay. The answer is 42 meter. Okay, clear? One more question. The next question. This is the last question of exercise 6.3. Question number 16. If AD and PM are medians of triangles ABC and PQR respectively, where ABC similar PQR, prove that AB by PQ equal AD by PM. Okay. Here the triangle ABC and PQR are two triangles, and AD as the median and PM are the median of PQR. What is given? ABC similar triangle PQR, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Our aim is prove that AB by PQ equal AD by PM. From these two proportionals, these two sides, we can take the triangle ABD and PQM. We want to prove these two triangles are proportional. ADB, this ADB and PQM. Our aim is to prove these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, their corresponding parts are proportional. Okay. So, here ABD and PQM. These two parts or this triangle and this triangle are similar. We want to prove they are similar. Okay. What is given? ABC and PQR are similar. That is given. From this, we can write the corresponding parts are proportional. Here, AB by PQ. AB by PQ equal BC by QR. BC by QR equal AC by PR. AC by PR. That is the corresponding parts. Okay, then corresponding angles. Angle A equal angle P. Angle B equal angle Q. And angle C equal angle R. Okay. Here, we want AB, AD and BD. So, here we know that angle B and angle Q is equal. B and Q is equal. Corresponding angles. A and P is equal. C and R is equal. Okay. Here, then D is the midpoint. We know that the median divides two equal parts. So D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. So we can write BC equal to BD. That is BC equal BD plus DC. DC and BD is equal. So this is BD to BD. BC is to BD. Similarly, M is the midpoint of QR. So we can write QR equal to QM. That means QR equal QM plus MR. MR is also QM. Both are same. So to QM. Instead of BC to BD and write instead of QR to QM. So AB by PQ equal 2BD by 2QM. Here 2 cancel. AB by PQ equal BD by QM. AB by PQ equal BD by QM. And the including angle. The included angle is angle B equal angle Q. So by SAS similarity criterion, we can say that triangle ABD is similar triangle PQM. Then AB by PQ equal AD by PM. Then we can write therefore AB by PQ equal AD by PM. If the two similar triangles, their corresponding sides are proportional by SAS, side, angle, side. This angle side is this PQ and this angle equal and QM. The AB by PQ and BD by QM are same ratio or proportional, and included angle is also equal. This is Q. Equal. So we can say that by SAS similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. By using this theorem, we can conclude by corresponding parts are proportional, corresponding sides are proportional. So we can write AB by PQ equal AD by PM. Okay, clear? Hence, proved. Okay, I think it is clear to all. The number of questions are more. So you watch at least 3 times. Each question watch at least 3 times. After that, try to write your notebook. Anybody feel any difficulties? Please call me. I will help you. Okay? Thank you.
Home is all to you, deceive you. I needed you. I believed in you. Oh, I never meant to let you down. I waited to stay in my eyes. Never meant to put you down. I'm trying not to fall apart. Now all I have is riches and pictures and stitches. Money can never buy what you get. And though my heart is aching and breaking, I'm making the most of what you send.